Hi, this is Terry from Untitled Trailer. In this segment, we're going to talk about the outside kitchen. So many units nowadays are coming equipped with an outside kitchen, and this unit is no exception. So in here, and here you have your outside kitchen. These kitchens come with a fridge. Now, this fridge is strapped in, so in transit, it can't, especially when the weight of the food's in there, we don't want it flying open. So this fridge is only 110, will not work off the battery, will only work when you're plugged into shore power. So when in transit, always be careful and always strap it in. That's your fridge. Now here we have a portable sink and a stove. Most models will have a lock that you can lock the kitchen in place so that it doesn't push in when you're trying to use it. So in this case, our portable sink comes with either a retractable hose that you can use or the retractable faucet. So we're going to use the faucet, lock that in like a quick connect. Now your sink is ready to use. Works on, same as before, works on your pump when you're using portable water, or works on city pressure. The only difference with this sink to the inside sinks is there's no drain. So because there's no drain system, this is a sink where you'd wash up and then you'd have to dispose of the gray water. Next we have our 2-burner cooktop. So we simply just open this up and you have your 2 stove burners. But because this unit slides in and out, we actually have to hook up the propane. So this propane is hooked up through a quick connect hose, which is located underneath the unit here. So underneath here, we just find our hose. So this is our quick connect hose. And under the unit here, we can see there's a quick connect, and we'll just plug that in. So you simply pull back this collar, insert the gas line, and release the collar. Give it a little tug, make sure it's connected. And then you have to turn on the propane flow right here, and now it's in the on position, ready for your outside barbecue. So just like your interior stove, you know, to light it, it's a good idea to have a barbecue lighter. Just happen to have one in my back pocket. So we go ahead and just light that. This doesn't have a sparker, so you're gonna have to use one of these lighters. You simply push the burner, turn it down, and to light it. And then to turn it off, you just simply turn it off, and you're done. So that's your outside kitchen. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our many locations or give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.